Welcome to Crimson Secrets, where we discuss about the true crime stories. I am Lucia Munkenjulit.
And me, Nabila Septianti.
Today we'll be talking about a friend of a family. A friend of a family tells the true story of Jane Broberg, who was twice abducted in 1970s by Robert Berthold, a trusted family friend. Berthold groomed Jane and her parents by manipulating their feelings, emotions, and exploiting their trust. He positioned himself as a supportive figure, convincing Jane they share a unique mission which isolated her from others. His charm and deceit also ensnared Jane's parents, leaving them vulnerable to his influence. This manipulation revealed the dangers of misplaced trust and how predators exploit family dynamics. Jane's story gained attention through the documentary Abducted in Plain Sight and the miniseries A Friend of a Family, highlighting the profound impact of betrayal and grooming on the Broberg family.
What exactly is your relationship with Robert Berchtold?
Well, he's practically a member of the family.
Good morning, Brobergs.
Good morning, Brother B.
Good morning, Jan. It's gonna be a great day. Hey, who do you love the most?
Brother B. Brother B. Brother B.
Tell you the truth, a man like you, a father and a church leader, I've wanted to be friends with you from the moment I met you. Really? I almost feel like we're two sides of the same family. I look at you and Marianne, and sometimes I wish I had the kind of marriage you have. I think you really care about me, Broberg. Just help me out, brother.
No one thinks that their best friend is a monster, but he has all the hallmarks of a psychopathic personality.
Happy birthday, Jan.
He will lie and manipulate to get the only thing that he wants.
You remember what I told you? How you sure are special.
Who is her father? Him or me?
Gil, if you knew something, you would tell us, right?
Your husband kidnapped her.
Again!
Where is Jan? Where is she?
What motivates Robert Berthold to target the Broberg family? Berthold is driven by a mix of obsession and a need for control. He sees an opportunity to manipulate the family dynamics, exploiting their trust and kindness, fulfill his own dark desires. How does the Broberg family react to Jane's abduction? The Broberg family is thrown into chaos, experiencing shock, guilt, and desperation. Their effort to locate Jane reveal the deep emotional scars left by the trauma impacting their relationship and mental state. What themes are explored in A Friend of the Family? The series explores themes of manipulation, betrayal, and the psychological effects of trauma. It highlights the complexities of family dynamics and the long-term repercussions of abuse, shedding light on how trust can be exploited in devastating ways. Okay, so let me ask some questions as well. For the first one, how does the portrayal of Jane's character evolve throughout the series?
Jane's character evolves from an innocent, trusting child to a resilient survivor. As the series progresses, she becomes more aware of the manipulations and seeks to reclaim her narrative and identity, showcasing her strength and determination.
Okay, so for the second one, I'll ask about what role do societal attitudes toward abuse and victimhood play in the narrative?
Social attitudes are depicted as dismissive and often victim-blaming. The series illustrates how these attitudes create barriers for victims seeking justice and support, leading to a lack of accountability for abusers like Berthold.
Okay, for the last one, how do the legal and social systems fail the Broberg family in their attempts to protect Jane?
The legal and social systems are portrayed as inadequate, with law enforcement often dismissing the family's concerns and failing to take decisive action. The systemic failure allows Bertolt to evade justice and prolongs Jan's supremacy.
That brings us to the end of this episode. We hope A Friend of a Family serves as a cautionary tale, a call for awareness and testament to resilience. It encourages us to look closer at relationships we may take for granted and to cultivate both education and compassion around the issue of abuse was beneficial to you. As always, thanks for listening to Crimson Secrets.
If you enjoy our show, please rate and review us on Apple Podcasts and be sure to come back next week for a new discussion. Until then,
This is Felicia Monica Angelin.
and me, Nabila Septianti, and don't forget the danger you didn't see coming. Bye!
911, what's your emergency?